Dear students, we have discussed about graph of linear equation in two variable, and we know that a linear equation represents a line when we plot it on the graph. Today we are going to study about equations of line parallel to the axis. For it, we are going to plot a Cartesian plane. This line is x-axis or abscissa. This one is y-axis or ordinate. This point is origin, denoted by O. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. Students, we know that how to plot a point. These are the points of x-axis and y-axis. What will be the coordinates of these points? We know about it. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Coordinate of this point will be 1, 0. Similarly, coordinate of this point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. And this one is 6, 0. What will be coordinate of this point? This is -1, 0. What will be coordinate of this point? -1, -2, -3, -4, and it is -4, 0. Students, here you can say the ordinate means the value of y-axis is 0. That is, on each and every point of x-axis, the value of y is 0. That is, you can say the axis, that is x-axis, can be represented by the equation y is equal to 0. It can be represented by the equation y is equal to 0. Similarly, on y-axis, the coordinates of this point is 1, 2, 3 and 0, 3 is the coordinate of this point. What will be coordinate of this point? This is 0, 1. It is 0, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 0. It is 0, -5. And it is 0, -2. Look at here. The value of x is 0. So you can say the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Dear students, note down it. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. What will be the equation of line which are parallel to x-axis? This line is parallel to x-axis. What will be its equation? For it, let us take some points on it which are on this line. This point is 0, 2. What will be coordinate of this point? Y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3, 2. 2, 2. Sorry, this one is minus 2, 2. Minus 4, 2. You get for the value of y the number 2, that is y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. It is equation of this line. Dear students, y is equal to 2 will represent a line parallel to x-axis and the distance from the origin of this line is 2 units in positive direction. Similarly, suppose a line is parallel to x-axis which passes through the point 0, -5. It means it intersect the y-axis at point -5. All the values of y on each point of this line will be equal to -5. The value of y will be equal to -5. The equation of this line is y is equal to -5. Let us take one more line which is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this line is passes through 0, -3. And if this line is parallel to x-axis, then for each and every point which is lie on this line, the value of ordinate will be -3. For each point, the value of y is equal to -3. So you can say it is a line parallel to x-axis, and what is distance from the origin of this line? It will be y is equal to -3, and it can be represented as y plus 3 is equal to 0. This line can be represented as y plus 5 is equal to 0, and the equation of this line is y minus 2 is equal to 0. Dear students, as we have discussed in our previous videos, that this equation contains one variable and it has unique value, but for each and every value of x, the coefficient is 0, that's why it is 0. The x term is not present here. So you can say it is the equation of a line, and it can be represented as 0 into x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 into x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. 0 into x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Dear students, now what you conclude? It means all the lines which are parallel to x-axis, the coefficient of x will be 0, and that line will be represent a line parallel to x-axis. Let us discuss about a line parallel to y-axis. As we know, the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. We have discussed about it. Suppose a line which is parallel to y-axis passes through this point. This is 3, 0. What is common in this line? Value of x for each and every point will be equal to 3. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to 3, or in other words you can write x minus 3 is equal to 0. It may be written as x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Similarly, draw a line which is parallel to x-axis, passes through the point minus 4, 0. In this, the value of x for each and every point will be equal to minus 4. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to minus 4, and you can simply write it x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 0 into y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation parallel to y-axis. So you can say the equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to a, and the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to a, where a is any real number. Dear students, let us discuss the last topic of this chapter, that is geometrical representation of x is equal to 3 in one variable and in two variables. X is equal to 3 if it contains one variable, then it has unique solution, and you can represent it geometrically on a line. That line is a number line. Let us take some points on it, and so the value of x is equal to 3. That is, this one is 0 and 1, 2, 3. This point is x is equal to 3. It is one variable. It is geometrical representation of x is equal to 3 in one variable. But when you have to represent it in two variables, then take a Cartesian plane and draw a line which is x is equal to 3. Dear student, we have discussed about it. The equation of a line parallel to y-axis is equal to is x is equal to a. This line will be parallel to y-axis. Here it is y-axis, and 1, 2, 3. This line is x is equal to 3, and hence you can say this is geometrical representation of x is equal to 3 in two variables. Dear students, when it is one variable, then it is a point, and when you are going to represent it in two variables, then it will be a line parallel to y-axis. Similarly, suppose you have y is equal to 5, then this will be line in two variable which is parallel to x-axis, and when you take as a point, then it will be presented on a number line as like a point when it is in one variable. Now you can solve exercise. There are only two questions. These are, give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3. It will be definitely parallel to x-axis when you take it in two dimension as two variable, and when it is one variable then it will be a point and number line. Second question is, give the geometric representations of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. You may be write it x is equal to minus 9 by 2 and x is equal to minus 9 by 2. What it shows? It shows that this will be parallel to y axis. That's all for the day. Thank you.